喂！喂！
趁頭先，唔好俾差。
He confirms categorically that the guards at the gate hauled him in, that they tore his hands and his hair, and they beat him. And he says here, at least 4 people are kicking me, and at least for 1 minute tearing my hair. He says, my head, face, arm, body and back are hurt, especially my back. It's very painful, and I struggle at the moment even to sit down. Has the Secretary of State not just called on the Chargé d'Affaires, but hauled in the ambassador directly to see the Secretary of State? Secondly, will the Secretary of State now be prepared to expel the Consul General and any of those that are found to have been part of that punishment beating and the vandalism? And all I want from the Secretary of State is a simple yes. If it's evidenced, we will expel them.
Of course, it is a question in law as to what offences were committed on British soil, and it's absolutely right to have a legal procedure that goes through that and examines the question in all its aspects. As to summoning the ambassador, I thank him for his input. We have already outlined a process of raising this formally with the Chinese embassy, and we will see where these procedures, these legal and prosecutorial procedures, may lead to, and at that point we will take further action.
昨天呢，我已经表明了中方的有关的立场。滋扰分子非法进入中国驻曼彻斯特总领馆，危及中国外交馆舍安全。任何国家的外交机构都有权采取必要措施，维护馆舍的安宁和尊严。我要强调的是，中国驻外使领馆的安宁和尊严不容侵犯。希望英方切实履行责任，采取有效措施，加强对中国驻英使领馆馆舍和人员的保护。
Rubbish. The truth is, there's no way they're going to prosecute these people, right? So why would you wait for a complex criminal investigation to take place? The one thing we can do immediately, because they are diplomats, is to discharge them from this country, because we have that right. They are diplomats, and they have transgressed on our land, on our rules. And so I think it's very simple. Send a very serious warning to them. We identify who those people are. We'll be saying, you go home. That's as simple as that.
Red line has been crossed here. On our British soil, they have used this violence. That is not acceptable. And for that, the government has to also be clear that there is a red line, and we will take action. Their failure to demonstrate that, it shows we are weak. It shows also that there are more things that happen in other parts of the world and in Britain too. And next time we will not be lucky what has happened here. It could be more serious.
There isn't anything very complicated about identifying the individuals. In fact, I named them last night because they are on social media. You can see their pictures. So we know who they are, and they are all people who work for the Chinese Communist Party in the consulate in Manchester. Declaring them persona non grata, which is what I called for last night and which Achal called for in the Commons yesterday, was a straightforward thing that the government can do.